Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I mean, I still think we're in a wave Y right now. Actually, a wave C, a wave Y. All part of this big three waves up for the W, three waves down for the X, and most likely one, two, three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I believe will go up and most likely take out these highs before we get another attempt at the downtrend. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we definitely have been going down very strong, as you can see on this pair. But I actually think that we're in a wave C already. I think this is a 1. I think this is a 2. I think eventually it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5. Because a wave C of wave Y definitely should be a 5-way pattern. Just like the wave A was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave C should also make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I still think that it's likely to go up all the way to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. So let's head down to the daily time frame, that is. On the daily time frame, we had a very strong move to the downside, but so far it definitely does have three waves down, and I would consider this respecting the 50%, even though it kind of turned right in the middle. Now, in order to really help prove that this really is the end of an ABC, then we need to see an impulsive up and we need to see a break of structure. If we do see this picture right here on the daily time frame, then I think that pretty much confirms that this is the end of a wave 2. This would be a wave 1, and then we're going back up for that wave 3 of wave C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally think there's a good chance that this is going up, and I could even make a 5-way pattern out of this pretty easily, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C down, 1, 2, and then it just keeps on going up. I am pretty bullish on this until proven otherwise. I mean, yeah, we did make a pretty impulsive move down, but I think this right here could be a low right here, and I think there's a chance that this could just keep on going up, making higher highs and higher lows. So until proven otherwise, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where it leads me to believe that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually almost a perfect 5-way pattern. Makes me think that this is a wave A and that this move up is going to be a wave B. And yeah, you could definitely, especially on the shorter time frames, possibly get a pretty decent little short for a wave C. And if you short this, thinking that it's a wave C and it turns into a wave 3 and just keeps on going, that's more like a bonus trade than anything. We could be wrong about our Elliot wave count, but we could make more money being wrong if it turns out that it really is a wave 3 and this is a 1, 2, 3. But I still think that this, at the end of this ABC correction, which I believe is going to be an ABC, that we will get an impulsive move up, we will get a break of structure, we will get a continuation of the uptrend. Probably will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. So I am definitely looking for longs. I mean, you could definitely go short at the end of this wave 2 or possibly wave B, but the trade that I would really be looking for is the long at the end of the wave C for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.